High school in Jakarta, sort of modern Sparta. Had no chance against the teenage suburban armadas. We were a sonata, things so tight with fathers. Yeah, living under that was hard, but I liked you better. High school in Jakarta, a comedy drama. I still hate you for making me wish I.
Introduction. Simple interest. Simple interest is the calculated on the original amount of money that is invested or borrowed for the entire period. The three items that must be considered when calculating interest are the principal, rate of interest, and the time of the investment or loan. Problem statement. Hafiz wants to buy a car for his wife. He plans to make a loan because he cannot afford to buy in cash. The limited amount of money that he can borrow is 100,000 ringgit Malaysia. Louis Bank charges 6% while CAB Bank charges 10% for 108 months. Hafiz wants to find out the amount that he has to pay after the discount and how much the interest it is. He needs to choose which bank is the best for the loan application.
Methodology of simple interest. I equals PRT. I is simple interest in RM. P is principal in RM. The amount of money invested or borrowed is called the principal. R is rate of interest, is the percentage of the principal that is written as interest. T is period of time in years. S equal P plus I. S is simple amount of the original principal and the interest earned. Result and discussion of the question. There are two banks Hafiz can make a loan from, Louis Bank and CAB Bank. The amount of the loan is same, is 100,000 ringgit. The period of time is also same, it is 9 years. Using a formula I equals PRT, we can know how much the amount. Rate of Louis Bank is 6%. I equals PRT. I equals 100,000 multiply with 0.06 and multiply with 9 years. The total is 54,000 ringgit. S equal P plus I. S equal 100,000 plus 54,000. The total is 154,000 ringgit. Compare with CAB Bank. Rate of CAB Bank is 10%. I equals PRT. I equals 100,000 multiply with 0.1 and multiply with 9 years. The total is 90,000 ringgit. S equal P plus I. S equal 100,000 plus 90,000. The total is RM 190,000. As a result, Hafiz decided to choose Louis Bank because it is the best for the loan application.
Introduction of trade discount. What is trade discount? Retailers buy their merchandise from manufacturers and wholesalers who in turn sell the merchandise to consumers at a profit. The manufacturers or wholesalers will issue the catalogs describing the products sold by them. These catalogs also include the list price of the products. Retailers usually will be granted trade discounts which they pay for the goods at prices lower than the list prices. Discounts are frequently given for large quantities of an item purchased or an incentive to sell absolute merchandise. The amount of discount that retailers receive of the list price is called the trade discount amount. Problem statement. Laila buys a clothes at Salsa Boutique in Pavilion Mall. The price of a pair of clothes is 130 ringgit and the discount is 5%. She wants to know amount of the price of Salsa Boutique.
Methodology. To find the net price, NP equal LP minus D or NP equal LP open bracket, 1 minus D, close bracket. If there is more than 2 discount, chain discount. NP equal LP, open bracket, 1 minus D1, close bracket, open bracket, 1 minus D2, close bracket. To find the trade discount amount is D equal LP multiply D.
Result and discussion. Net price of pair of clothes. NP equal LP, open bracket, 1 minus D, close bracket. LP equal 130 ringgit. D equal 5% or 0.05. NP equal LP, open bracket, 1 minus D, close bracket. NP equal 130, open bracket, 1 minus 0.05, close bracket. NP equal 130, open bracket, 0.95, close bracket. NP equal 123 ringgit 50 sen. Trade discount amount. D equal LP minus NP. LP equal 130, NP equal 123 ringgit 50 cents. D equal LP minus NP. D equal 130 minus 123 ringgit 50 cents. D equal 6 ringgit 50 cents.